Okay, so I don't know how I got sick. Wait, hold on. Okay, so I don't know how I got sick. Literally right after I got done, after being sick, I I quite literally just having a stomach bug and a fever. Don't know how, though I did. So I cooked up a video with my dad about us doing like an experiment with making a chip was making a chip in a microwave oven. It's not a very long video, though it's something. And yeah, I'm mine. Hold on, wait. Hold on. Okay, so the video starts. 1, 2, 3. I'm okay. So we are doing, so we are trying to make potato chips in the microwave.
What you got? Sliced up the potato chips. How do you flip this damn thing? Potato chips or potatoes. Now they're cooling in water.
Yes. Yeah, and we are going to wait until they are done. To put them in the microwave.
It's gonna cool a little bit.
Well, duh.
And we gotta dry them out.
Yeah. And then what will we do after?
Then we'll stick them in the microwave. We'll season them with some salt and stick them in the microwave.
So what are we going to do after we? So what are we going to dry them on?
Your mom's correct. We're making a mess. Wet paper towel, eh?
Okay.
Good enough.
Wait, so can I have on the speaker? Quick, please. Chopper.
I'm gonna give this a little more time.
Much more time.
We said 10 minutes.
It's 10 minutes for them to dry, not soak.
No, it's 10 minutes for them to soak. What seasonings do you want? You want
Vinegar and salt.
really? I don't know if they have vinegar. At least not the right kind for that.
Well, as long as it's not like some type of weird vinegar. No, this is not. I'm sponsored by Mountain Dew, but I need
apple cider vinegar, and I also have regular vinegar.
regular vinegar.
No, this is not how this is supposed to work. You just put some salt on there and some seasoning.
How do you think chips are made? They use vinegar.
No, they don't.
Yeah, they do.
Fine.
Yeah, they do.
Fine. While they're soaking, we'll put vinegar in there. There.
You wait.
Yeah, I just put vinegar in there like you asked.
Yeah, and then when they dry all the way, and then we put like a little bit of olive oil over it.
That's after they go back.
It's not after they go back in there. Dad, so can you open the thing?
What thing? Can't pull that off? Come on, right?
I didn't know how you do it.
Yeah, well,
That was close.
now you have to give it a little bit more time because now the vinegar has to soak it. Sorry.
Okay, I'm just going to show you when it's done. Okay, so now so now we are putting them in the microwave. And how long have you had them in there? Because I was taking
7 minutes.
Okay, so we just had them in there for 7 minutes, and he plans to have them in there for
2 more, probably.
yeah, for 2 more.
Yeah. I'm gonna check them after 7.
Yeah. Looks weird. Dad, so let's bring them over here. I want to taste them. How would you say?
That's surprising. It's crispy.
Would you say it's too crispy for a chip or too soft?
No, I'd say it doesn't need 3 more minutes, I'll tell you that.
It doesn't have enough of bold flavor.
No.
Now we need to pour some salt.
Alright.
And also there's supposed to be a shitload of salt on chips.
That isn't terrible.
Did you say that the salt helped?
Yeah.
I'm trying not to have
You basically have a gigantic chip, potato or pancake. You can skip the paper next time. It's not terrible.
Dad, I think that I got a bad piece. Dad, I would say for cooking them a little bit less.
Yeah.
Yeah, we burnt them.
Well, I didn't know they were really so thin.
Yeah, that looks burnt.
Well, it'd probably be better in the air fryer. Oh,
Shall we try the air fryer?
Not right now. I'm not doing this again.
Okay, so that was our experiment.
It was meh.
It was mad. It wasn't great, but it wasn't horrible. Yeah, bye.